Hello, and welcome to this healing EFT tapping. This session is designed to help you release resentment, anger, and pain from the past mistreatment, allowing you to step into forgiveness, peace, and gratitude and love. Before we begin, take a deep breath in, hold it, and slowly exhale. Let your body relax as you prepare for deep emotional state. Now place your hand on your heart and set an intention for healing. This is a safe space to release and let go. Now let's begin. Gently tap on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though I carry deep pain and resentment for what they did to me, I honor my feelings and choose to release this burden. Even though I feel angry, I give myself permission to heal and free myself from this pain. Even though forgiveness feels impossible right now, I'm open to the idea of finding peace within myself. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Now tapping through the points and repeat after me. Eyebrow point. They hurt me so much. I don't deserve this pain. Side of the eye. I feel betrayed. I feel disrespected. And I feel belittled. Under the eye. A part of me wants to hold on to this anger. Under the nose. But carrying this pain is so exhausting. Chin part. I don't want their actions to control me anymore. Collarbone. I release the burden of their words and actions. Under the arm. I choose to take back my power. Top of the head. I deserve peace, not pain. Take a deep breath in, hold, and exhale. Now gently place your hands on your heart, and I want to visualize as I tell you need to forgive the people who have hurt you. You need to say sorry to yourself for not standing for yourself. You need to thank your body for showing the strength to hold and release the pain. And most importantly, you need to love yourself and free yourself from this anger. Repeat after me. I'm sorry, my body, for holding on to this pain. Please forgive me for carrying this burden for so long. Thank you for showing me the strength to release it. I love myself and I free myself from this negativity. Feel yourself lighter Take a deep breath in and exhale. Now tapping through the points. I choose to release this resentment. I choose to embrace peace. I'm sorry for not standing up for myself. Side of the eye. Forgiving them does not mean I accept what they did. I need to forgive them because I cannot carry this burden on my body. I forgive myself for not standing up for myself. I forgive them because they did not know what they were doing. Under the eye. I'm freeing myself from their hold on me. I thank my body for holding it and bearing this pain and also releasing it now. Under the nose. I allow love and gratitude to fill my heart. Chin point. I am strong, whole, and worthy of happiness. Collarbone. I choose to step into lighter, freer life. Under the arm. I'm grateful for my strength and growth. Top of the head. I'm free, I'm loved, I'm at peace. Take a deep breath in, hold, and exhale. We'll do one round of tapping. Eyebrow point. I'm sorry. Side of the eye. Please forgive me. And I forgive them. Under the eye. Thank you, body. And I thank them for making me stronger. Even though it is the hard way, I thank them for making me stronger. Under the nose. I love myself for who I am. I have held on to this pain for so long. And I thank my body for carrying me in all this pain. Chin point. I forgive them. I love myself. Even though it is difficult, I choose to send them loving vibes. I know a part of me doesn't want to forgive them, but by not forgiving them, I'm only hurting myself. Collarbone. I know it is hard to send love to them, and a part of me doesn't want to send love to them. But by not sending this love, I'm not able to love myself totally. I wish them good luck. Now place both hands on your heart. Feel the lightness in your body. Imagine that a warm golden light is coming from your heart and it is spreading your entire body every time you breathe in. It's time to let it go. You are not your past. You are not their words. You are not their actions. You are strong, worthy, and free. You are stepping into peace, love, and gratitude. Take a final deep breath in and exhale. Know that you can return to this practice anytime you need. Thank you for allowing yourself to heal. You are safe, you are loved, and you are free.